So one of the most common questions that we get asked about, and this is even from our competitors, is what is the range on my boat? How far can I go without running out of gas to maybe a fishing spot, whatever it is? And there's a screen in the SmartCraft that you really want to pay attention to if you're truly worried about how far you can go, basically your range. Also, your fuel economy. And one screen will do all of that for you. It's your fuel flow and fuel use screen. Now, obviously, the most important thing is to know how much gas is in your boat. Obviously, you got to understand that you need to know your max capacity of gas in your boat. So for this boat, for instance, I can put about 83 gallons in it. But from there, all you truly need to do is reset your fuel used part here to go to 0 gallons. And then whether you're idling, whether you're going 20 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour, it will show you exactly how much fuel you've burned. So you can really keep track of how much gas you have left. Now, if you're starting to panic that you feel like you might be a little short coming back in, you might not quite have enough, that's where you really need to start paying attention to the fuel flow. That's basically your fuel economy, how many gallons per hour you're burning. So yes, it seems almost common sense, but a lot of people don't know that they can actually understand exactly how much gas is in their boat, exactly how far they can go simply by using their Mercury SmartCraft gauge.